You've probably posted a job before and gotten exactly the wrong kind of response. Either nobody applies, or you get 50 resumes from people who clearly didn't read the posting. That's not bad luck. That's a bad job posting. Most small business owners write job postings like grocery lists, fast, vague, and useless. Then they wonder why candidates don't fit. AI can help you fix this, not by writing a perfect posting while you sit back, but by helping you think clearly about what you need and turning that into something honest and specific that attracts the right people. Before you open ChatGPT, spend 5 minutes thinking first. Answer these questions. What 2 or 3 things will this person actually do every day? What would make them fail in the first 90 days? What's the pay range? Is it full-time or part-time? Remote, on-site, or hybrid? And what's your workplace honestly like to work in? That last one matters most. If your shop is relaxed but high standard, say that. If it's fast and chaotic, say that too. The right candidates want to know what they're walking into, and wrong ones will self-select out if you're honest. Don't just think experienced landscaper. Think specifics. This person manages a 2-person crew, handles the equipment trailer, talks to clients on site, and shows up at 6:45 a.m. without reminders. That detail is what makes a posting work. Your prompt matters a lot. Don't just type, write a job posting for a barista. Give the AI the full picture: job title, business type, team size, daily tasks, required skills, what wouldn't work out, pay, schedule, location, and an honest description of your workplace. Ask for a direct, friendly tone with no corporate filler. When you give AI that much to work with, you get something usable. You'll still edit it, but you're working with something real. Then ask the AI to review its own output for honesty. Flag vague phrases like dynamic work environment or growth opportunities. They mean nothing. Replace them with something true. Small team where everyone wears multiple hats, and that's either exciting or exhausting depending on who you are. Ask the AI to challenge your requirements too. If you wrote, must have 5 years of experience, ask whether that's really what you mean. You might find your actual requirement is comfortable managing customer relationships independently from day one. That's more accurate and doesn't screen out good people for the wrong reasons. Ask what search terms qualified candidates would use to find this role, and check if those terms are in your posting. Job boards use algorithms. If your posting doesn't include words people actually search, it won't reach the right people. AI often surfaces terms you didn't think to include, specific software names or certifications. Adding 2 or 3 accurate terms makes a real difference. One honest limitation: AI doesn't have real-time data on job board trends. For the most current picture, cross-reference with Indeed's search suggestions yourself. The last step most skip: ask the AI to write 3 or 4 screening questions for the role alongside the posting. Make them specific to actual work, not generic HR questions. For customer service, try. Describe a time a customer was wrong, but you still had to make them feel heard. What did you do? That one question tells you more than a resume ever could. A job posting is really a filter. Its job is to bring in genuinely right people and help everyone else move on quickly. AI won't do that automatically. You have to give it honest, specific information about what you actually need. But when you do, it turns a vague listing into something that actually works. That means less time sorting through wrong resumes and more time talking to people who might actually stick around.